another video. In today's video, we're gonna be Dude Perfect. You see that window? Oh shit. You see that window? I'm going to throw this ball in that window. This guy here, point the camera there. That is a math expert. He's gonna calculate how can you throw it in.
The circles is on.
Okay, he's gonna calculate how you can throw it in. And I'm a dumbass nigga and I'm gonna try to do it. Okay, so you, the calculating master, you try. Record it.
Bro, do it.
Okay, do it. Come on. Mathematics man.
Hello. Broski, sit.
Nee, mijn broer.
Sit. Nee, bro.
Bombeklut. Ik heb er heel cute.
Then you must throw it back down.
Oh. Okay, now he's gonna throw it for real, guys. Let him throw it.
Hello, guys.
Record here. Let the guy who don't know maths try. The guy. Pause. Are you recording me?
Yeah.
Can you see there or so?
Yeah.
Are you recording me and you can see there?
Yeah.
Move there. I can see love.
Matic,
I'm better Dude Perfect, motherfuckers.
Bro, the pig head. He's running away. He's running away. Broski's laughing. Yeah.